Namaste children, hope all are safe. Today I will teach you how to do the greeting card for Friendship Day. Shall we start now? Take any chart paper, any color, whichever color you like, and take 20 by 40 the measurement and fold it like this and grease this one. See, now I'll show you how to do the pictures like this. We stick it on this. So first you take a A4 sheet paper and draw a circle. I've taken this sellotape and I've drawn a circle and I've drawn the ears, eyes, hair. Next, this is for the cap. Draw the oval and up semicircle and draw one line here, and you should cut this cap. I'll show you how to do the cutting. Now you make it half like this. This line is there, no? There you should make a cut. Then cut the shape of the cap. You do slowly. You take the help of your parent and do it. Do it neatly and slowly, children. Don't do in a hurry. If you do neatly, only the work will be nice. After cutting this one, see, now the cap is ready. Now you just see you should insert this boy's head inside. See, like this. So how to do this one, I'll show you. See, now you should cut this picture also, and you should do the coloring. For the coloring, you should color this boy's face using peach color, peach crayons, and little bit brown to give the shadow of this, give the coloring wherever it is dark. And for the hairstyle, you can do any hairstyle. See here, I've done 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 girls. See, now I've done different types of cap. See, now this I've done full cap. So I want to make it into half cap. So I'm just folding this one. If you fold it and if you put it inside, see how it is. See, for this I've done different caps. See, for the girl I've fixed one flower also. You take a circle and just cut it like this, and in the center you take yellow piece paper and keep some dots. A flower comes. See, now see here, this is for girl, colorful cap for the girls, and this is for boys. So you decide whichever you want. And now I'll show you how to do the sticking. Next I'll show you how to do the candies. See, all you would have had some candies with your friends, and you would have played with the balloon. See, now this is the balloons. See, you can draw like this. In this shape you can draw like this shape, and you cut it and you color it. Different colors, whatever color you like it, you color it, and just take a small piece and just you cut it and stick it for the balloon to like a handle, and thread. And this is a lollipop. Different types of candies. Lollipop. This is a ice cream. You would have added with your friends. You would have had this ice creams. You would have enjoyed. No, this is a chocolate. One chocolate I've done. See, now I'll fix all this one in this chart paper. See, now if you have a girlfriends, only girls, you can take 2 girls like this. If you want to fix one boy and one girl, that also you can do. See, you just, the sticking work is yours. Now I'll do 2 boys. See, now I'm fixing this boy up and this boy down. See, now you take a little bit Fevicol. See, now see this one, the hat cutting, it should be in the center. Just a cut, how I showed you in this paper, in the A4 sheet paper, like that you should do it in this also, and you should color it, and you should fix this head inside. Then you can stick it here. See, apply the gum backside and stick it in the corner. Whichever corner you want, you can stick it. And I'm sticking this boy down. One boy up, one boy down. This is your friends. For your friends, you can send this card through courier or post, or you can take a WhatsApp. You can take the pictures in the WhatsApp and you can send it. So however you want to send it, you can send it. See, now I am just Fixing the balloon. All the arrangement of the balloons and the remaining things is your wish. How you are able to stick it, that is your wish. Whatever color balloon also, whatever shape also you can do it. Fixing, and I am hiding little bit this thread. See. Now I am sticking the candy and ice cream. You would have enjoyed with your friends, no, having all this one. And if you want, you can do some, if you want to give to your friend a pen, you can draw some pen, diary, watch, whatever it is. You can do it like this, and you can cut it in that shape, and you can give the colors and stick it. Nicely press it, children, then only it will stick. See how is the card? It is very simple and so nice, no? See, now inside part, I am taking one A4 sheet paper. A4 sheet paper. Slowly open it, children. After sticking whatever you want, you can do it. See, now I have taken a A4 sheet paper and I cut it into heart shape, and I have decorated in the corners, and I am sticking in the middle. Using Fevicol, I am sticking in the middle. Now I am writing Happy Friendship Day. Any color sketch you can take or anything you can take. Happy Friendship Day. See, now here you can write any wordings, otherwise you can open it here and you can write whatever feelings you have for your friends, and you can close it, and the card is ready now. See, now this is for, if you have only for girls, if they want to do, they can use the girl. See, if you want one boy and one girl, friends for that boy, girl, it is not there. Whomever you can give the card, you can give the card. So all of you like the card, children? So try to do the card and give to your friends and enjoy, children. All of you be safe, healthy. Thank you.